Hi family, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use oven. Yes, I said oven. So, um, on this oven here, we have on the left side right here, we have three body. We have bake, we have board, we have warm. So it just depends what you're going to be using it for. For example, if you are using to bake, you're going to press bake. If you want to boil, you're going to press boil. If you just want to keep your stuff warm, you're going to press warm. And then we have this two button right here, the one right here. This is for start and this is to cancel. And what you see over there, like the temperature, yeah, temperature or time, you're going to press it and select how many minutes you want to use this for. And then on the right, we have here time. You either set the time or you turn it off. And we have light right here. We have delay start. For example, if you want to delay it to start, we have it. We also have clock. You want to set the clock right here. And we have cook time. You want to see how many minutes you're cooking for, it's okay. And we have control lock. If you want to control this lock, you hold this, press this button for 3 seconds, and it's going to be control lock. Hold for 3 seconds. So today, what I'm going to be doing is oven today is to bake. So I'm going to be starting, or I'm going to be touching this bake button right here. Right here is bake. I'm going to be pressing it right here. Yes, it says bake, and you're going to select the temperature for how many minutes you want to bake for. Let's say, for example, I want to bake for 250 minutes. So these two buttons right here, like this is for up and this is for down. For example, I want to use it for 250 minutes. I'm going to come right down here to decrease the time. You're just going to keep pressing this button right here until you get the result of what you want. Yeah. Okay. So I got 250, and I'm just going to come right here to this button right here to start. I'm going to hit start and it's going to start. Okay, let's say for example, let me just hit start. So it start already. So right now it's preheating though. So for example, like for some reason I just want to delay starting. I'm going to press the button right here to delay starting. Or I just want to cancel this whole stuff. I'm going to cancel it right here for cancel. This button for start, you press start. If you want to cancel, you press the X right here. Okay, so I just cancel it. So let's do it one more time again. So let's say for example, I'm using this oven to bake today. I'm going to be pressing bake right here. I got 350. Let's say I'm setting it for 500 minutes. Oh no, let's say 400. Yeah. So I'm just going to come right here and keep increasing till I get the result I want. So now the temperature is 400 minutes. I'm just going to come right here to hit start. There is preheating. Yeah, and when it's ready, you're going to see there. So now I'm going to cancel again. So let's see what we have here. Then we're going to select the minutes. So I'm going to be baking fish today in this oven. Yes, this is how much fish I'm baking today in this oven. Yeah. So I got fish. So let's see how many minutes I'm going to be using on my oven. Okay. For fish, I'm going to use 350 minutes. So let's get started. I'm coming back to my oven right here. I press bake right here. And it already set for 350 minutes. So I'm just going to press start. This button for start and this for cancel. So I'm going to press start. Yeah. So let's go into the oven. This is the oven. This is how the oven look like. And for example, the oven is dark. I'm just going to put a light on in the oven. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to come right here. These two buttons, the first one right here is for the light. I'm going to press the light. Yeah. The light is for the stove, so I'm going to turn it off. So I want to use the light in the oven. I'm going to press right here. Where you see light, I'm going to press right here. And now the light is on in the stove right here. So I'm going to be taking each of my pan to put in the stove right here. Wow, that's a lot of fish, right? Stay tuned. I have a whole video about how to bake this fish. Damn, it's a lot. Okay, I'll put the smaller one first. So for only a baking pan allowed to go in the stove, okay? Do not put rubber material in the stove here. And then what I normally do is I put a large pan at the bottom and I put a smaller one at the top, just in case I'm using two pans. This is how I do it. So I'm going to be closing this oven. Yeah. Let's say you have a baby in your home and you might not be too close in your kitchen or paying attention to your stove, so you want to lock this stove. You're going to come right back here to the string right here, and they have lock. They say control lock. You're going to hold for 30 seconds to control this lock. Let's try and see. So I'm going to hold it for 30 seconds and it's locked. So now I'm about to open it like this. Hold for 30 seconds, control lock. So we're going to control this lock for 30 seconds. Yeah, so this is how I use my oven. Yeah, this is how I use my oven. This is how I bake in my oven. So if you have any question, please let me know. Feel free to ask me. Just let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see more of this video, feel free to contact me. You can like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are just joining for the first time, please support me now. My goal for this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Okay, guys? Yep. So if you find this video useful, please now support me. So once again, my name is Rosemary. I'm a new content creator on YouTube. Yeah. So please support me now. Do that honorable thing by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. That's it, y'all. So I'm just gonna be, for example, I'm gonna open this right here and see. I know, guys, it's still early, but I'm just gonna show you guys how it look like now. It been like, yeah. So I'm just gonna give you guys update about how to use this oven from start to end. So this is the name of my oven right here. Yeah. So in the next video, I don't know. So just stay tuned. I'm also going to put a link down about how to season fish, how to bake fish. You want to know what I do on my channel? I do just a little bit of everything on this channel. Okay, family? I do a little bit of everything on this channel. So like I have a video about how to use washing machine, how to use dryer or drying machine, how to cook. Yeah, just a little bit of everything. So maybe in the next video you can ask me what you want me to do, and I'm going to be doing it for you guys. So feel free, come back to watch more of this video. So on my page I have a video about how to set your time or how to set clock on the stove. Yeah, I have a video about that. So guys, if you find this video useful now, don't forget, come back to watch more. Thank you, love you so much. Mwah. Stay tuned.